Before you discover every detail of this masterpiece, you can contact the number +39 342 5267 446 to book your onboard inspection, or write to us directly via WhatsApp. The Song of the Albatross. There is an exact point, in the middle of the ocean, where the line of the sky and that of the sea merge into a single, immense blue. It is in that apparent void that AMADEA materializes. She does not appear as a ship, but as an island sculpted from ice and wind, moving gracefully despite her 106 meters of steel and titanic grandeur. Anyone observing her from afar instantly feels a sense of reverence. Her exterior lines chase each other in a succession of perfect curves, geometric shapes resembling cascading shells, designed to shelter those on board from the outside world and grant absolute intimacy. Yet, it is upon the bow that the soul of this giant is revealed. A majestic steel sculpture, an albatross with outstretched wings that seems to guide the ship toward infinity, defying both gravity and the waves. To cross the threshold of AMADEA is to take a journey through time and space. The sound of the wind and the engines vanishes instantly, replaced by a muffled, solemn silence. You find yourself immersed in the atmosphere of the grand royal palaces of 18th century Europe. The main salon opens up like a theater, with a double-height atrium that forces your gaze upward toward the ceiling, where Renaissance-style frescoes evoke the skies of another era. Beneath this artificial vault, polished marble reflects the light of crystal chandeliers and the 24-karat gold details of a rare grand piano, waiting to fill the air with classical notes during warm evenings at sea. Every corner tells a story of master craftsmanship. Rare woods and precious stones are inlaid with a millimetric precision that transforms every corridor into an art gallery. Life on board flows to the rhythm of the sun and one's desires. On the main deck, the water of a 10-meter infinity pool visually blends with the open ocean, giving the illusion of swimming suspended in the void of the horizon. When the sun sets, the yacht sheds her skin. A monumental spa welcomes those seeking the sanctuary of warmth and steam, while just a few decks above, a private cinema with motion-controlled seats prepares to screen stories that come alive not just on screen, but through the senses. And for those seeking the energy of the night, the terraces transform into stages beneath the stars, where music unites with the roaring of the waves. AMADEA is governed by a silent force. 36 invisible, impeccable custodians move through the shadows to ensure that the journey of her 16 guests is a heavenly experience. With a range capable of covering 8,000 miles without ever touching land, this titan can traverse the globe's oceans, weathering the harshest storms in absolute comfort. There is no destination she cannot reach, nor port she cannot dominate. Because AMADEA does not merely travel to connect 2 points on a map, she sails to prove that the ultimate luxury is not possessing time, but inhabiting it within a masterpiece.